What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the Cool Kids YouTube channel. One of the biggest malls in the US, the Galleria Mall out in Houston. Do got a JD Sports right here. Let's go. Their Black Friday sale right here. Grade school men's, $90 for the 312s right there. I hope we see a lot better stuff inside. Do got Climacool foams. This reminds me of the Hulk version of the Iron Man suit. But yeah, the Adidas foam version of that. More of these going for 90, 100 right there. Seeing Jordan retros on sale at the retail shops. Coming far ways within the last couple of years. Dude got the 7s right there. Infrareds as well as the chambres. Dang, dude, I can't believe retros are on sale. Kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. And do got Cortez. I think this is the first time I've ever seen JD with Cortez. I'm gonna be honest, the only spot I've been consistently seeing these is at Chic. And yeah, they were hard to find. Now they're readily available. $90 for the Cortez. It's like Jordan 1 mid leather, man. They always use really good leather on this. Dang, they cheapened those. What the hell? Yeah, got 3 different colorways, all cheap as hell, man. Grade School Superstars. Oh wait, that one doesn't have a tag. $40 for Grade School Superstars. That is super cheap. Might be the cheapest I've ever seen Superstars. That's like Ross prices. Holy crap. For your grade school or woman that wears kid size, that's what's up. Oh, these all black freaking Air Morph Tempos are freaking sick. These are dope. It is nubuck, just like the OGs, but they got the alligator print for the letters. Man, these are dope, dude. These are dope. This is a grade school, but hopefully they come out with those in men's. Hopefully they go on sale too. Women's section, dude, got Vapor Max on sale. And yeah, they're pretty much half price. Got some pink ones right here if that's your thing. Vapor Max Plus, almost half price. And of course got these. Then also got the satin breads in the women's section as well. These gonna go on sale too? I forgot about these. I forgot this was a women's size. But yeah, do got the Lucky Greens right there. And they're getting fancy with the Air Force Ones right there. The little crystals or whatever the hell you call those. Okay. $125 for those. Who are they celebrating on this one? Who are they celebrating? 4-time champs? Who is this? Is this for the Astros? Is that for the Astros? I don't know. This mall, super interesting, does even have a hotel. It is a Westin, so it has a super bougie hotel attached to it. Kind of crazy. All right, they do got a Champs Women attached to it. I'm already tired of walking in this mall. Mall is so freaking huge. Do got these. Just started seeing these recently, the Mellow ones. Like you really have to be good at hoops to be wearing this, right? You start wearing this and get dunked on, you can get clowned, right? That's what I'm assuming. $140 for those. What's going on with this $5 bin right here? They got Jordan socks for $5. 2 pairs. That's pretty nice. They got Stan socks going for $5. They ran out of the $5 ones, so they grabbed the $14.99 ones and just improvised. That's what they did. Got Nike socks right here. Ooh, these are really nice socks. The running no-shows, $18 down to $5. Pretty decent time to buy this type of stuff right here. Just that color is just awful, but yeah, they got stuff like that here. Oh, finally found this. I've been walking around. Dude got the 70% off sign right there. Mitchell and S shorts. These are a small, of course. 76ers. I don't know what the hell. That's not even Mitchell. That's Nike. And then they do have the Lakers one right here. This looks like a medium. That's just what I think. Like I said, these are small. But yeah, I do got a couple of those 70% off. These are normally what, 100 or 110 or something like that. So $30. Got some Adidas. Like, what are these sweatpants right there? $85. And then some Champs sports gear. Nothing too crazy. They do got some Mickey D's Crocs with the Big Mac. Oh man, my favorite, one of my favorite sandwiches. Big Mac, fries. That's my meal right there. That's my meal. Size 11 right here. I don't know the price of these or what. What do these go for? What, 55, 60 bucks? Maybe a little bit more. The Hamburglar one. Who got his tie right there, his mouth. Then his silhouette. These are size 8 right there. I don't think they got the Grimace one though. Maybe they sold out. Alright. Got the hamburger chicken nuggets. 4-piece chicken nuggets. Got Elf one? I didn't know they had an Elf one. From the movie, I guess. Okay. They do have a sales table right here. $59.99. I remember seeing these at Champ Sports. The outlet. $30. They got a few of them for $60 here. Another sales table right here. $100 for those Ultra Boosts. These Brooks Adrenaline GTS. $140 down to $100. And even $100 for the Vans boots. Got a couple of those. Not great so far. They got the Ghost right here. $100 off of these. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. Are these the 15s? What number are these? I don't know what number they are. They got this one right here. These are the 14s. Go for $70. These are the 15s. Yep. I thought I'd see a lot more stuff. I'm not really seeing too much craziness. Might be because this is one of the premium champs in the city. But yeah, that's kind of interesting. Not great deals, but I gotta show you guys the Reeboks right here. Do got a couple of questions on sale, but nothing too impressive to be really honest. All right, I guess these Air Max 95s, pretty solid discount. Got another one going there for $90. But we've seen Air Max on sale everywhere. I've never seen one of these stores right here. Look at this. They got an NBA store and it is freaking huge. We know they're gonna have dope stuff. Is anything gonna be on sale? That's the question. That's the front area right there, and then there's an entire back section. This store is huge. Is this the one that I saw lids on sale for like hella cheap? Yeah, man, this is dope. This is one of the OG jerseys. I wouldn't mind having one of these. $140. So they got Mitchell and S. They got Nike. They got everything. They got everything. I like this one too. Stephon Marbury jersey right here. All these gonna be $130 since they're all swingmans. Yep. Oh, $140 now. They've gone up. Julius Irving jerseys. Pretty dope. Penny jerseys. This is the one I ordered off of Hibbett's when they had their sale and they canceled it. I ordered one of these too, the Shaq jersey. They had it for like $30, but they didn't send them. They canceled all the orders, man. Got the practice, the warm-up stuff right here. The authentic warm-ups, $195. This is one for Bird. And they got one for Magic way back when. And then who's this right here for the Spurs right here? Okay. These are so dope. Everything is regular price though, of course. Jalen Rose jersey. I like that they have all the old school stuff. I think that's the old school stuff in the back right here. Yeah, on the back side right here, it's all the older stuff. They got all the OG stuff right here. And then the front side right here, that's where they got all the new players. Tatum. I hate this jersey. I can't stand this. It just looks so ugly. Looks so ugly. And I'm a diehard Laker fan too. What is this? Yeah, I'm good on this one. I'm totally good on this one. Yeah, man. Yeah, let's just leave that one. Like, what's the price? We know it's going to be overpriced because, yeah, man. Mitchell and that's $165. Oh, I'm good. Oh, yeah, that hoodie is fire. That hoodie's dope. Yeah, this is $110 for that. Maybe I could wait for some of this to show up at some of the clearance places. That'd be dope. They got a custom lab if you want stuff customized. They got balls right there. You can try to bounce them and stuff, see how they feel. That's pretty freaking dope. They got a women's section right there with the fitting room in the back. And even a section for youth. This store is freaking dope, dude. And they got multiple Christmas trees here. They have a huge one that I'll show you guys in a bit. They have one right here for pictures and stuff. And they have an Adidas retail shop. Let's go check this one out. It says 40% off store-wide. But I think it's going to be the same stuff we saw last time. Let's see. This place got it broken down. Kids, Stan Smith, Superstars, Gazelles, Oswegos, and Forums. See a lot of these excluded from promotion. Come on, doggies. Come on now. Like all the gazelles right here, half of the forums, even most of the Zwigos. It seems like they're just trying to get rid of some of the older products. That's why they have the 40% off. All the Ultra Boost right here. Oh, I've never seen this one. Got different texture, does have like different shades. This is actually pretty dope. 200, get 40% off of that. We've seen that one on sale. Quite a few spots. This one as well. Classic white and black. Classic all white, all black as well. That's my favorite one so far. But I'm definitely not paying $120. Then they got the Ultra Boost lights right here. All right, let's move on to the next spot. This is what's up right here for 20 if you can find one of those. And then downstairs they do have, they got a little food thing right here. And then they have their huge Christmas tree. That's probably almost as big as Citadel. And they have an ice skating rink right here too. Ice skating rink. They got one of these Japanese things. But yeah, they got an ice skating rink right there that goes around the tree. They do have a house of hoops. I think like 10 minutes. I need to wrap it up quick. Kids Foot Locker right across the way. When I came a couple years ago, this used to be a Foot Action. This used to be a Foot Action. This is the House of Hoops section right here. They do got the LeBron 2s. I didn't even know this released. These might be released early. $250 for these extra premium. Had to kill at least 6 different animals to make these. Got gold on them. But yeah, these are definitely interesting. This ain't my style, but definitely interesting. Also got the graffitis as well. They got stuff we haven't seen in too many spots. Okay. They don't got no sales, but they got stuff we haven't seen in a long time. They got the Aunt Pearls right here. KD3 Aunt Pearls. Dang, dude, they got all kinds of stuff we haven't seen at most other places. But like I said, no sales though. Yeah, they want to keep this a premium location, so a dearth of sales. Got a few things on the bottom, some blazers and stuff like that. Jordan releases right here. Not too much. All right, so they do have that skating rink right here. It's a little chilly. Just got my jersey on. Also have a shoe palace, but I gotta go. I got to get my butt to the airport, man. I'm gonna miss my flight, so that's about it, man. That's about it. So this is the regular side of the mall. The Champs is over there. They got regular stores like Urban Outfitters, H&M, Athletica. They just got regular stores on this side. And then this is the bougie section right here. They got a Nobu, Fig and the Olive, and Saks Fifth. Also have a Prada right here. And of course they got the Fendi, they got Chanel, they got Tiffany. And then if you want to pay $300 for a t-shirt, they got some Neiman Marcus right there. All right guys, that was pretty much about it. That was Houston, all in a nutshell. I think I should have 6-7 videos for the week. But yeah, this mall is definitely dope. Not the best for sales and stuff like that. Selection's gonna be pretty dope here. They're gonna get a lot of stuff because they move a ton of stuff. So if you want the latest releases and you live in Houston, I'd probably come here because they probably get most of the stuff. You also have all the boutique stores. You guys got a ton of boutique stores out here. You guys have Alma Maniera, you have Social Status, you have Supreme Goods. You guys have a lot of good places. So yeah, definitely stop by those if you need releases. But that's pretty much about it, man. I think I need to appreciate LA a little bit more. I think we have like the best combination of sales as well as all the releases. So I definitely need to appreciate what we got, especially the Nike outlets. The Nike outlets just, there aren't too many places that can compete with Nike outlets. Maybe in Orlando. Maybe Orlando's a little bit better, but there aren't too many places similar to Orlando and LA. So yeah, we're definitely lucky. But yeah, I got plenty of videos. Gonna be back in LA, gonna be getting videos from LA. So yeah, definitely appreciate you guys watching these series. This is from Houston, and I might be back, we'll see. But yeah, I got plenty of videos coming. Make sure you help avoid, make sure you press that like button. If you're new, subscribe. Make sure you press that notification bell. I do drop tons and tons of videos. If y'all want to support the channel, you guys can join the membership, help with some gas money and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much about it, man. Pretty much about it. I appreciate you guys making it to the end. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Back at the airport, George Bush Intercontinental Airport. So it's not international, intercontinental. Crazy. All right, Kia Rio. I think I put about 300 miles on it last couple days. Craziest packed Most packed I've ever seen one of the rental things. Thanksgiving weekend, man, crazy. And I love Houston Airport. It's so much faster than LAX. Freaking hate LAX, man. They take forever. Houston security got there in what, 15 minutes? 15 minutes? Kind of like Burbank. Holy cow.